What's up, guys? How we doing? Happy Saturday. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world today. I don't know where you are, but it is cold. It is snowing. So make sure you are sheltered in and stay in, guys. Do not get on those roads, all right? Netflix and chill today, this weekend, all right? Now, we're back. If you're here for the first time, all right, make sure you smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Today is the day for you to sip coffee and collect your coins, all right? The good thing about an online business, I love the affiliate marketing, digital business world, that you could be doing whatever you're doing in life, right? If you've put out enough information, right, you've been promoting and getting your stuff out there, sending traffic to your websites, you could earn commissions, all right, while you live in life. That's what I love about these systems, okay? But you have to put the work in, right? Now, of course, FTC disclaimer, we can't make any income claims, we can't make any guarantees. But we have been in some great opportunities, and we're in some great opportunities in which you can check out at www.coffeeandcoins.info. Check them out. We got digital programs that can show you how to start an online business, all right? So anyway, today, though, not so great news, all right? But I have to come here and bring it to you guys just because I also brought it to you when I initially started promoting an opportunity. That's just how I roll, all right? I'm an affiliate marketer. I've been doing this since 2012, right? And I've seen companies come and go. But this one, we've been in for what? We've been in for a year. And we've been promoting it pretty heavily. But today I got to bring you guys some news because, again, for me, I feel obligated that I have to let you know what's going on, okay? And I should. That's just how I do things. So anyway, we got a program that we are no longer promoting. We have taken it off of our Coffee and Coins website. Some of you have already spoken to. We've had some conversations that's signed up with me. But I wanted to let everybody else know. And all the videos for this program I have removed from everywhere, all right? So let's get into it. Let's talk about it. Hang in there with me. All right, so this program right here, you've seen me talk about it for a whole year. I joined this program last year, December, and so it's been a year now, a little over a year. Sparky AI. You know, guys, I've been heavy. I was heavy for 2025 promoting Sparky AI. Right? Before I talk about why I'm no longer promoting, let's talk about why I got started. Okay? Initially, this system was supposed to, and that's the good thing, all this is up here so we can just read over it. I initially joined it because I liked the idea of the AI, right? I liked the idea that you were going to get leads every month. Okay? You have a monthly membership. Depending on which membership you join, you get X amount of leads that they dump into your back office, and then Sparky is going to close those leads out. Then they came out with the call center, and then the call center was supposed to close those leads out, make calls, etc. Not to mention, I also joined it is because of the AI. They used to have a phone number that you could call, and Sparky would actually have a full conversation with you, so Sparky could close the sales for you. Then on top of that, they have inside the network marketing company, so you could build multiple income streams by promoting one link, okay? So that gave you two opportunities you could promote, and then on the front end, you got Sparky, and then in the back end, you had those other network marketing companies. They were optional, but you could join them, and it worked. Far as some of those companies in the back office, I never joined them, probably wouldn't have, but Sparky got those leads in, and then people signed up. So initially, things were going pretty cool. We got the leads and all of that, right? But let's look here. Now it's changed since when I got started, I was grandfathered in. I was getting X amount of leads a month. See, they've downgraded it now. I was a pro member, MSI certified pro member. I think I was getting 200. We can look here. Let's take a look. Hang on. Okay, I can't really tell how many I was getting a month. I want to say it was 100 or 200. I can't figure it out now. But if we look, I've logged in, and I'm putting this up here to protect, for privacy protection, because it shows the name, emails of these people. But if you look, the last time we received leads, I received leads, I think this is when they stopped all the leads, was September. See, it says Rotator Co-op. What was happening was you would get X amount of leads depend on your membership, okay? And they will go in here so you can kind of see, right? So September. All right. Now, let's move on. Okay, and then so that was that. But those are the reasons I joined, to get the leads. The AI is going to close the leads. You can market your 2 businesses, not to mention you got the other multiple companies, multiple income streams within there. So one link did everything, right? Cool. Now, so they switched up, okay, and I was hanging in there with them for a little bit to see how it was going to go. We know sometimes companies have to pivot, to make some changes. So the deal was, hey, we're going to stop the leads from coming in. Let's go over here because y'all can see I've earned some commissions. And I have 637 leads in there. Of course, I have downloaded them. You can download your leads, by the way. All right, so I've already downloaded them to my computer. So I have these leads, and I'll probably just upload them into another platform. So anyway, they stopped doing that, and they want to shift to this Brand Rise system here. All right, the Brand Rise, where they were going to use that to help gain some momentum and some new customers so that they can actually fulfill those ad packs. All the ad packs people were purchasing to fulfill all of that, right? Let's look at, I think it's here. It's in here, these, the starter packs. But it's changed since I've got in it. So anyway, that was going to be the new shift, so that they can fulfill all these people that purchase these advertising packages. They're going to use the Brand Rise for those business owners. Okay, cool. I'm giving them time to make the shift, make the change, all of that, right? That just didn't happen. All right, so now we came into January, the new year. And I'm looking, because, I'm pivoting, and I'm going to figure out which programs I'm going to keep. And initially I came out in New Year and said, hey, we still rolling with Sparky. We're going to see what they're going to do. And it's not going the way that I anticipated for me, right? So for me, what was happening is, you remember, guys, there is what they call it, the 90-day assurance plan, right? So let's look at this. All the people that I signed up, they pay. This is how it works, even for me. When you first sign up, you pay your first 3 months, whatever that membership is, right? So mine would have been $50 a month. Okay, but I had members that was paying their membership, and that's how I was earning my residual. So my residual was paying off. My residual and my commissions was paying my monthly. So I never actually came out of pocket after those first 3 months. All right, didn't have to, because I had enough commissions to cover everything. All right, so in transition of them, switching to promote the Brand Rise, meanwhile, I know leads are coming in, right? Everything that we initially were going to have is no longer there. Sparky's phone number is not working. You don't have any leads coming into your system. So the only business you're going to make is if you go out there and create new customers on your own, because your current members are on the 90-day assurance plan. So after they pay their 3 months, the company doesn't charge them. So that's a fact right here where it says you don't have to pay a dime. So that means all the people I've signed up, I'm no longer earning residual. Right? So the only commissions I could earn is if I go out here and create new customers. All right? Now, again, the reason I signed up is because I've got the leads. I'm paying for that every month. And then you guys are going to close the sales. Okay, cool. That's not happening. So what's happening now is I'm being charged from my commissions to maintain the account. So a light bulb is going off going, hey, well, why am I paying commissions when I'm not getting anything here? So end of the day, make a long story short, I decided to downgrade to the free membership. All right, I said, well, hey, let them get it together. I'm going to downgrade. I'm going to collect my commissions and just withdraw them and let them do what they do. So I decided to go ahead and withdraw my commissions. All right, so you guys can see here, this came from, you know, all the different ad packs, people upgrades. I had elite members, all of that. Now you see I'm paid through February the 10th. I downgraded. I sent a message, a support ticket, and an email to downgrade me to free. All right, but I'm still active on Pro until February 10th. All right, so if you look over here, my membership, if you click it, you see all these are locked. So they've downgraded me, clearly. So where my issue is, not only are we not getting leads, Sparky's not doing anything to help you get any sales, my withdrawal has not been processed. For the first time, I've been with them for a year, never had any issue with withdrawals. And we'll take a look at that. Let me show you. All right, so let's take a look up here, right? We've earned a great deal of commissions, and they paid out every one of them till we got to this point. If you look right here on the screen, see right here, I requested on 1/11 $150. I had 200 in there, and I realized it was on the 11th, and the new billing cycle starts on the 12th. So I'm like, okay, well, they can keep that 50, which they did for January. That's why I'm still in the pro mode through February. So I said, okay, let me withdraw my 150, and you guys can downgrade me. So clearly they have downgraded me. See, everything is locked. I used to be pro. It's not unlocked. Fine. However, my withdrawal has not been processed. I've sent emails. I've sent a message in Facebook, and I'm going to show you all that proof. And I sent a ticket. No response. Okay, cool. So, I can't promote this. All right. Now, in the interim, it looks like someone signed up on, let's see, hang on. I had someone sign up. Let me see, hang on. Looks like someone signed up on the 26th. All right, I guess that's that because I'm still in the pro mode. But I'll never see any commissions because they haven't even paid out the other ones. All right, so that is the reason I'm no longer. That's one of the reasons. Not to mention, it looks like it's just not happening with Sparky. All right, so they've had ample time to pay my withdrawal. All right, so I am in the Facebook group, right? Now, see right here, pending approval. These are my 2 actual requests where I went in here to send a message to say, hey, I want to downgrade and I want to withdraw. Now, you clearly see that they have processed the downgrade. See, these are all locked. So someone read that message and downgraded me. However, they have not processed the withdrawal. Okay? But right here on Facebook, see, pending approval. So they haven't even acknowledged it. well, they probably see it, but nobody's approved it. And I've done this before, and they immediately answered. I've never had a email or a what do you call it, ticket put in, and they never responded. That they've always. So all of a sudden now that I want to downgrade, I'm not getting the commission. So anyway, I just wanted you guys to know that I'm no longer promoting Sparky AI. All the videos have been taken down. Alright, because see, someone signed up, and obviously it's from one of my videos, because every sign up that I've gotten, these are people I referred. Alright, so it didn't come from Sparky, because I've asked people, well, how did you find me? And they tell me social media or email or whatever. So clearly this person signed up, this last person I just showed you on the 26th, from some promoting that I did. So that's another reason why I want to take videos down, because people don't know, and they find your videos or your posts you do, and they don't know what's going on, and they sign up. Okay, so that's it. That's all. Just wanted you guys to know I'm out. Coffee and Coins does not have it on this page either. Alright, that's that. Moving right along. Now, if you're interested in other opportunities, we just come to this page, www.coffeeandcoins.info. We got great opportunities here that we're promoting, but that also is a reason why in the past, over my tenure doing this online, I was skeptical about companies actually having to pay you. If you look, and people that's been following me, most of my programs, 99% of the programs I've ever promoted were member to member, meaning that when people click that link to buy, they pay you directly, whether it was Cash App, Venmo, Zelle, something of the sorts, right? Because companies can hold your commission and you can't get them, just like a crypto platform. That's how this is acting. You try to get a withdrawal, and either they're gone, they rug, or they just don't pay. But this is the first time this happened to me with a affiliate program. I've seen it, with people in the past, but this is my first experience. But at any rate, we got some great opportunities. We're good. It did what it did for a year. Hey, and we move right along. So come here, check out what I got going on, www.coffeeandcoins.info. We got digital products. You guys can get started. I'm super excited about this program right here, the Home Business Academy, one of my new additions that I've added to my portfolio. 10-year solid program. We'll be back this afternoon or today sometime to get into that, but you want to check this out. Matter of fact, remember a program, guys? Hate to throw a name out here, but remember the company MLSP? Y'all remember that? I was in that for a bit, but they were around a long time. This company gives me that feel. If you remember that, that's kind of what HBA brings to my mind. So anyway, we'll talk about it. Go check it out. We got the Turnkey residual income system. You can go check out. Everything's done for you. Get signed up today. But peruse on this page. See what we got going on. That's it. That's all. Thank you guys so much for checking out the video. Like the video, please. And thank you. And on your way out, don't forget to smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me. And click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Till next time, be safe out there, guys. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.